In a new development, the Academic Staff Union of University, ASUU, has addressed viral video of UNIZIK female student assaulting a lecturer for interrupting a video recording. It's worth noting that UNIZIK has been in the headlines over a video showing a female student assaulting a lecturer for interrupting a dance video. However, the university management addressed the controversy by setting up a disciplinary committee, resulting in the expulsion of Precious Mbakwe. In a recent development, ASUU has released a statement commending the lecturer who was physically assaulted. The union commended the lecturer's reaction during the incident as an exemplary display of maturity and demure evident in his character and professionalism. Furthermore, the union praised the acting vice-chancellor Dr. Okoye for his decisive action, emphasizing its commitment to defending members' rights and promoting a conducive learning environment. Part of the statement reads, "The Academic Staff Union of University wishes to commend Dr. Chukwudi Michael Okoye for his exemplary display of maturity and civility in the face of recent violent assault on him by a female student, Goody Mbakwe Precious Chiamaka, a student of the Department of History and International Studies." We will continue to supply you more trending news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.